So Edgar,
Yes,
congrats.
thank you very much.
Did you anticipate that you would win?
Absolutely not. So there were so many great ideas, really, on the technology side, but also on the commercial side. Some of them are already quite advanced, so already with customers, with sales. We don't have it yet. So when I saw the other pitches and companies, I said, well,
So what can you explain in 1 minute what you're doing and what makes it so different?
so what we are doing is that it's a unique platform for producing food ingredients from microbial biomass. This is non-GMO, so no synthetic biology. It's not plant-based. It's truly unique.
And where do you how do you turn it into a product?
So it's about biorefining, so mild biorefining, and by using this concept, we take this microbial biomass, the building blocks that make the biomass, and we turn it into food ingredients. So it's like pieces of this microbial structure that we take apart selectively for certain food applications.
And which one?
For instance, gelation,
Okay.
and therefore we could replace egg whites. But there are some other applications that are richer in lipids, so therefore we can replace lipid from animal source or from plant source. So depending on the selectivity of the microbial biomass, we can target certain applications in food. But particularly we are working now in egg white replacers.
And what makes you different to what other egg white replacement that exist today?
So there are two groups. One is plant-based egg white replacer, fantastic, but they still have constraints with the amount of soil that they need, etc. And the other group is synthetic biology. They change the genetic code to express certain proteins. We don't do anything like that. We have a unique approach to produce a protein or an ingredient that can behave like egg whites.
And so can you claim that you are natural ingredients?
Yes, we are.
Nice. And when can we expect to see you on a product on the market?
So because it's a really new product, we need to go through the novel food legislation. It takes 2 years at least. We are in the developing phase, so we expect within 2 years a bit more to be commercially available, yes. Although our approach is B2B, so we are going to become an ingredient provider.
And so can you just tell us about your journey, your personal journey? Because from what I understand, you don't work in your home country.
Correct. So I came from Colombia, but I came to the Netherlands to study. I did my PhD, and during my PhD, I was always concerned, what do I do with this useful research? Why I should do it into a startup or something useful for society. So after my PhD, I started FUMI Ingredients. Then I joined forces with my colleague, Corian van den Berg, and he was actually my previous supervisor. So we are now working together on this. So from Colombia to the Netherlands, because of my PhD that I followed there, we took all this technology into FUMI Ingredients.
And what makes you wake up every morning?
Many things, but basically, if you ask me directly about FUMI Ingredients, what we are really committed is to make it a successful business, but not only for the making of money, but to have a real impact, that this can become an alternative to the problem, to the food problem.
And so, just to add that you won 2 prizes today, in fact.
Incredible, huh?
Yeah. And so you also won the EIT Food Prize, where you can not only get additional money, but also a connection that is unbelievable to a large ecosystem of opportunities. So congratulations. Huh?
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
But you deserve it.
Thank you.